Hey everyone, welcome back. This video is for the TC360 members. With your TC360 membership, there's a bunch of perks included, one of which being the macro for the max potential calculator. If you guys don't know how to use the max potential, make sure you check out my previous video done on that, just so you know how to use it before we get started on this, because I'm not going to be going over too much on at least how to use the max potential in this video. So some things to note here before we get started on this. Our years to illustrate time period is 30. Our client's age is 30 currently. They have an annual income of 100,000. They also have an income increase of 5% and net earnings rate of 5%. Their total taxes are up at 30, debt payments are at 25, and lifestyle is at 25%. Both of those have that 5% annual cost increase. And if you look over here on the right under compound, you can see that totals at almost $2.6 million, totals 11.05 years of income. So now, say you want to show this to your client in the cash flow calculator, you're going to come up here to settings and then scroll down to macro show distribution and cash flow. This is going to take all that information from max potential and load it into cash flow, ready to go with a simple click. You can now see up at years to illustrate, we've got 12, and that is the compound. Remember it said 11.05 years. It rounds up to 12. So even if it's just barely past 11, it'll still round up to 12, just to make it easy for you. Our client's current age is now 60, so the basically max potential calculator has played out, and now we're at age 60. Our present value is at almost 2.6 million. Total debt payments are at 108,000. Lifestyle is at 108,000 as well. And then on that chart, you can see you've got the annual payments and withdrawals on the left, your account value on the right, starting up at the 2.6 and ending at 0 at the end of that. And then you've got your income down here below, inflating as time progresses. So this essentially just streamlines things for you. You're now able to load your information into max potential and then spend no time at all transferring that over into your cash flow calculator for demonstration. So if you got any questions on that, please let us know. But you guys enjoy practicing. You guys have a good day.